What is the summation of NAFTA, Mexico, Canada, China, China, China? How do you fold that into GDP analysis?
Well, first of all, I think let's just start with a disagreement. I think the US is a relatively closed economy compared to many others. That, of course, and there we agree again, does not matter that all these external noises, developments don't matter at all. So there is an impact. I think if you look at the tariffs that have been imposed so far, in absolute terms, I mean, we're talking about a lot of billions of dollars, but relatively to the size of the economy, it is still tiny. I think what would matter more, and there you have the link between trade and the domestic economy, is if we start to see a spillover to sentiment, business sentiment,
right.
The stock market, all this, because then all of a sudden everything got amplified, got multiplied. Okay. We don't see it yet.
Well, let's go to the granular then. We saw a pop in inventories yesterday. Everybody came out and reset third quarter GDP. Is the grand mistake of 2018, is it the rollover in GDP is going to happen longer and slower than anybody thinks? I mean,
well, yeah, inventories, they have the potential to impact the quarterly path of GDP, right? It usually does not make much of a difference if you average it out over 4 quarters. The big uncertainty that we had going into 2018 is that nobody really knew exactly how much the stimulus will impact GDP growth. I think so far most of the estimates haven't been that bad. It looks like 2018 will see the US economy growing at slightly below 3%. Like 2.75% to 3%. So I think that is in line with most estimates. And then for next year, we probably can expect some slowdown in growth.